Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will discuss about force between two dipoles. Force between two dipoles. How the dipoles will be placed means. Now I am placing dipoles like this. Two dipoles, P1, P2, separated by distance, small r. Now how the force is going to be calculated. Now P1 is in the electric field produced by P2, isn't it? Now, what is the electric field produced by P2 dipole means? Dipole moment direction is always from negative to positive, correct? What is the point A or O? You can take A. On this P1 means this A is which line for P2? Equatorial line. So on equatorial line, what is the direction of electric field we said? In the opposite direction of P2. Therefore, E2. Now E2 is the electric field produced by P2. Okay. Now P1 is upwards, E2 is downwards. Now what is the potential energy for this? Minus PE cos theta. This is the formula. So minus, what is P here? P1. What is E here? E2. And cos, what is the angle between P1 and E2 means 180 degrees. What is cos 180? Minus 1. Therefore, potential energy equal to P1 E2. Now we have to calculate force. Now, what is the relation between force and potential energy? Already we derived this equation in case of electrostatic potential energy. F is equal to minus du by dr. So minus d by dr of what is potential energy now? P1 E2. So minus d by dr of, so P1 is P1 only. Now what is E2 means? Electric field produced by P2. On equatorial line, what is the formula? K P2 by R cube. Now with respect to R, we have to do. So minus P1 K P2. If you write d by dr of R cube, we can write R power minus. So derivative of R power minus 3 with respect to R. Now what you will get? Minus P1 K P2. This one can be written as minus 3 R power minus 3 minus 1. Correct? Minus into minus plus. Therefore, 3 P1 P2 K R power minus 4. Correct? Now this one, if you write fully, so now force is equal to 3 P1 P2 by, what is K? We can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R power 4. So what they will ask the question from this means how small r and force will be related. Now how these two will be related? So force is inversely proportional to r power 4. This is the force between two dipoles parallel to each other separated by distance small r. Understood? Like this we will do easily. And here we got 3 and here we got plus. Plus always indicates, positive always indicates attractive or repulsive we set. So positive sign indicates force is going to be repulsive. In gravitation we set negative. Negative means attractive, positive means repulsive force. This relation also we gave according to potential gradient. Potential energy gradient is nothing but force. Okay, now if these two dipoles placed like this, let us say on the axis P1, P2. Now how this one is going to be derived? Now distance between these two centers is going to be smaller. Now P1 is in the electric field produced by E2. Like the P2 is in the electric field produced by P1. Now this point, if we are taking A, now this A is axial line for P1, correct? Distance smaller. Now on axial line, what is the direction of electric field? In the direction of electric dipole. So these we discussed in concepts, isn't it? On axial line, equatorial line. Now E1 and P2 both are in same direction. Therefore, potential energy equal to minus PE cos theta minus P2 E1 cos 0. Theta is 0. Therefore, minus P2 E1. Again, force is equal to minus du by dr. So minus d by dr of what you will get here? Minus P2 E1. Minus into minus plus, isn't it? So d by dr of P2, what is E1? K P1. E1 is electric field produced by P1. So K P1 by R cube, correct? 2K P1 by R cube because this is axial line. So 2K P1 P2 if you write outside, d by dr of, same you will get R power minus 3, correct? After differentiation, so 2K P1 P2 minus 3 R power minus 3 minus. So finally what you are going to get means F is equal to minus 6K P1 P2 by R power 4 minus 6 P1 P2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R power 4. Now again, what you got here? Force is inversely proportional to R power 4. Here you got 6. The parallel on axial line if they are taking, isn't it? Now here negative sign we got. Negative sign means force is which nature? Attractive nature. Negative sign indicates attractive nature. Positive sign indicates repulsive nature. So this is force between two dipoles placed. I hope all of you people understood. So maximum they will ask how this relation is going to be helpful. Otherwise, sometimes this entire equation, otherwise attractive or repulsive. Okay.